Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains Tesla Model 3 and Model Y exterior panel misalignment and outlines what could be causing uneven gaps, misaligned body panels, or inconsistent fitment noticed during ownership or at delivery. Exterior panel misalignment refers to visible variations in panel gaps between doors, fenders, hood, trunk, or liftgate areas. Verified information shows that this concern has been documented across multiple production periods of Model 3 and Model Y, with differences observed by model year and factory location. The condition does not indicate a safety defect in most cases, but it can affect appearance, wind noise, or long-term seal performance depending on severity. Commonly documented causes include manufacturing tolerances during high-volume production, where panels are installed within allowable but broad fit ranges. Alignment can also be influenced by body assembly processes, calibration of robotic fixtures, and variations in panel stamping. In some cases, transport handling or adjustments made during pre-delivery inspection may contribute to uneven gaps. Vehicles repaired after minor shipping damage or cosmetic service work may also show alignment differences. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year mileage or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. Additional potential contributing factors, presented strictly as possibilities, include thermal expansion differences between materials, minor body flex over time, or seal compression changes. Newer production runs may show different alignment trends compared to earlier builds due to process updates, though this varies by factory and time period. General solutions based on verified information include panel realignment performed by Tesla service centers using factory adjustment points. Results can vary depending on panel location and severity, and not all cosmetic concerns qualify for warranty correction outside initial delivery windows. In conclusion, exterior panel misalignment on Tesla Model 3 and Model Y is most often linked to production and assembly tolerances rather than structural defects, and experiences can differ by vehicle build period and service history. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.